Repairing audio. If you listen to this particular audio track that I have, you can hear a lot of background noise. Let's listen carefully.
Decided whether I wanted to be a teacher or what.
What were some of the options for a young lady back in those days?
Well, there weren't too many options then. I did want to go to Lansing to business school, but finally decided on teaching.
So when no one's talking, you can see that the audio meter is way up in here. There's a lot of background noise. We can repair audio. So in our essential sound, we're going to come down here where it says repair, and we're going to click on the word repair. In here we have a variety of things we can repair. We can reduce noise, and this is background noise like air conditioning units or a background hiss. So let's turn that on, and I'm going to slide that up a little bit, and let's play it.
What was some of the preparation? What's the preparation to become a teacher?
Well, in those days, if you finished high school, you could take what they called county teachers examinations, and if you passed them, you were.
Notice that that background noise is basically gone. And so with the simple of turning on this little repair button
Eligible to teach in rural district.
And turning it on and making a slight adjustment here.
Is there a difference between rural and city teaching?
Oh, yes.
So we reduced all that background noise, made the interview so much better. Now, rumble is to reduce our low frequency sounds, like maybe wind noise or an engine noise. A dehum reduces electrical interference. So a lot of times this is in our cabling when we set up our microphones and stuff like that. It's picking up interference from a power cable. So we can turn that on. And 60 range is for us in North America, and the 50 is for like Europe and Asia is our 50 hertz range. And we could go down to de-esc. This reduces the very high frequencies, harsh sounds. And we can also reduce our reverb. So this actually lowers the echoing of our reverb. So in here, I just basically just did the noise, but we could test each one. I could reduce the rumble.
Much different because you had all 8 grades to teach in the.
And we didn't have a whole lot of wind noise or engine noise there. In the dehum, we don't really have any electrical noise, but we'll try it.
Rural. And you were mother and father, nurse and doctor.
And so you can see the reverb, we can try that.
And all of them.
For the whole group. Were there other teachers in your family, Dorothy?
And that sounds good. So if we turn on the reduce the noise and the reduce reverb.
Someone set an example for you?
No, I set the example for my sister. She went out from high school and she went to Northern Michigan. Then it was known as a normal school.
Did you also?
So these are quick, easy ways to repair audio. If this is not enough to repair the audio, you want to take a look at using Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition is an advanced noise reduction features in there that you can use to do more than just this. But this is the basics, and this will help quite a bit, particularly in dialogue.